boy. Can you say, how are you? Good boy. Can you say, I love you? Oh, wow. What a good boy. Here's a treat. Can you say, thank you? Huh? Good boy. Can you say, yummy? One more time. Can I hear you say, I love you? Oh, such a good boy.
I said no.
Why? Why?
Because you can't.
Oh, whatever, man.
I said no.
Whatever, man. Whatever.
I'm serious.
Why?
No.
Oh, whatever, man.
No.
I want to know why.
Are you complaining to me about something?
We got something to talk about.
Could you say that again? I didn't quite understand.
Oh, you don't understand. Talk about. Huh?
You're not happy about something.
Oh, good observation, Dr. Phil. Now, can you tell me why I'm not?
Is it because
Nope.
I'm sitting down?
No.
Is it because I'm ignoring you?
You close.
I'm not playing with you?
You know that's why.
I played with you. Do you remember? When we were playing? Just a minute ago?
You talking about a minute that already passed.
All right.
Now, I want to talk about all the upcoming times.